Hello everyone and welcome back to the Node.js course. In last lesson we just learned how to use const inside of this EJS file and output that. In this lecture you will learn how to pass data from our Express app to the view. Okay, first I want to change the head title, I mean this one, using our data that we pass through our Express application. To do that, when we are creating our route handler like this and we are passing index into this render method, now to this render method we have to pass another parameter. That type is a object. We can pass braces. Now we have to define what is the data using a key like this and then the value. We can use single quotations, and inside here, now we are in the home page, we can say home page like this. Okay, now we can go to index.ejs file to output that data. Here we can just keep the node.js course, and then I'm going to use pipe symbol and then the title. To use the title we can say starting angle bracket and then percentage sign. Now we are only output one thing, that means we have to use equals. Now we can say title and then in that using percentage sign and then ending angle bracket. Okay, now we can save that and run that using node.js app, that means this file name, and open your browser, go to localhost and then your port number. You are in the root directory. Now you can see the title is node.js course and then pipe symbol and then the title that we pass through our Express application, that is home page. Okay, we can do the same thing for other routes too. You can see the title keep the same as node.js course and then node.js course. We can go to Express application here and just I'm going to pass another object here, that is title, that is the key, and then the value is, we can say, about page, and then the create one we can pass the parameter as an object that available is title and then the colon and then value is create a blog. Alright, for the 404 page I'm going to pass a object like this and the key is the, we can say, title and then colon. Now the value is 404 page not found. Okay, now we can go to our particular files. Let's go to about and then I'm going to just copy this out because I'm boring and paste it in this title. Alright, now go to create one. I'm going to paste it here like this, and in the about page we can see that in the 404 page I'm going to do the same thing. Alright, now we can just open the browser, go to about page. Now we can see pipe sign and the about page. In the new page we can see create a blog. Okay, that's how to dynamically pass data from our Express application to EJS view. That is it for this lecture. In next lessons we will learn how to pass data such like arrays or maybe something else. We will see in the next lecture.